Welcome everyone to the new video. Let's begin today's drawing. First of all, we are going to draw this cute deer as you can see here. You can color it with some of your beautiful colors and we are here using orangish yellow one. I am using sketch pens here. You can use crayons or the pencil colors. It's so easy and isn't it so cool? Don't forget to fill the surroundings using green color. Next, we are going to draw this pop-up birthday gift box. You can see a cool little teddy is here and it's coming out of the box. We can add more details as we are here showing the heart-shaped buntings that are popping out of the box so that it may look more attractive. Use bright colors to make it more attractive and fascinating. First, you should draw it roughly using a pencil, then you can make the bold outlines using the sketch black pen. Christmas is a festival of happiness and there are so many things that represent this festival like the Xmas tree, like the bells, and why don't we forget the Christmas deers. Now today we are going to draw this cute little Christmas deer and you can see how its antlers are hanging with the bells and the stars. You can draw this easily and its difficulty level is so easy. Fill it with the colors as shown here in the video. Let's try to draw this princess bird. She's having a cute little crown on her head and she is sitting on a branch of a tree. Just have a look. Actually, it is she-bird as we are using the pink color and pink represents the girlish nature. Just try to draw this one and use the colors carefully so that our painting will look more and more attractive. Now let's try to draw the bunny and the bird. They are so friends and look good together as shown here. It's so simple, just some oval shapes and ears are long and you are done. Just try to draw this one. At first, you might think that this is a girl, but in actual, it's a cute little cat. We have placed a hair wig so that it will look like a girl. See how cute she looks? We have placed a bow and now see the whiskers and the ear. It's so simple, just give it a try and see how cool this one looks. You can use any of your favorite color for this one. You might have been familiar with some candy houses as you might have watched them in some cartoon series. Today we are going to draw one of them. See how easy it's. Just few steps and you will be done. You can use cool bright colors so that it will look more attractive as candies are usually pink in color, so don't forget to use pink color. This one is full of the doodles. First we are going to draw the baby and then few other things including the chicken leg and so many other things. It's a doodle painting and you will be very fascinated by this one. And it's very simple. Just few different things are jumbled here and there. Let's try to trace a cute little boy who is trying to play with the badminton and is holding a racket in his hand and the shuttlecock is moving in the air. This will look difficult, but it's not that much difficult. You can draw it very well. See how blushing cheeks look so nice on him. Thanks for watching.